Hi, so this is the admin panel dashboard. Here you can see the graphical representation of some data like trips, total amount of transactions, users, zone trips, cancellation, etc. The next is user management. Here you can manage companies, end users, and drivers. So in the company, you can add new companies, like multiple new companies, and set commissions for each companies. So it means a company have 10 drivers, so they will get their own admin panel and they can manage their own drivers. So you can earn commission from the companies itself. And you can edit the companies as well. So you can edit or delete the companies later anytime. When I say users, the users will be registered from their mobile application. So you cannot create them from the admin panel. But you can manage them here. You can black or disable it. You can add new drivers and manage drivers here. The next is dispatches. So as admin, you can create multiple dispatches. So each can create their own trips and manage their trips. So there are two options. One is local trips and another one is rental option. So and under local trips, you can enter the customer name, number. You can select pickup and drop points. There are two options. One is manual, another one is automatic. The order will be assigned to a particular driver, or it will be assigned to automatic. You can book it immediately or for later. So currently there is only one driver available. Two drivers are available. Okay. Yeah. So you can select a driver and assign order. Here you can view all the history. That is dispatcher history. So how many bookings are created today? And here you can view the scheduled trips and the rental later trips. So all these data can be exported or can be printed here. Here you can see all the trips, scheduled trips, right? Ongoing trips, rental trips, cancel trips. So everything can be monitored at one place here. Here you can see the cancellation request done by the customer, and here you can manage the zones. So as a master admin, you can restrict these zones. So you can manage the countries, and you can draw your own zones using Polygon. So here there are two zone levels. One is primary, and second another one is secondary. In the primary, by default, the customers uh, can book the pickup and drop location. The driver will receive the order and they will drop the customers in the location. But in the secondary location, it's like out of zone. So we call it as out of zone. There will be a separate price will be set for the secondary zone levels. Okay. Here you can select the countries. Right? You can set the admin commission and driver assign method. So first in first out or design based, distance based. So you can mention the zone name here. So if you want to remove the zone, you can remove the zone and create a new one. You can use it polygon to create a zone. So here you can create, you can assign vehicles here. You can set the unit, it will be miles or kilometers here. So select the payment types for that zone. And you can set the price like base price, base distance. price per distance, so waiting time and waiting time charges, cancellation charges, and you can set different commissions for ride now, ride later. Okay, you can set it for different vehicle types like auto, sedan. So this is for ride later, and you can set the surge price. It means for you can set a surge price, say 10. This price will be applicable within this time only, right? So apart from the default time, so this surge time will be applicable from this time to this time. Okay, and it will be available in the following days. So you can set it there. So in the Monday, 4 to 6, 426 to 628, this price will be applicable. Okay, so here you can set the out of zone price, right? So like for 1 kilometer, the charge will be 2. And here you can monitor the rental. So you can set the rental prices here, like package name, right? And the price hours for each vehicle type. You can set it here. It's like a package name, so kilometer. So it means for 10 kilometer can be covered in 1 hours. So that is the price. Here it is the price. So this is the fixed price. This is the total kilometers covered. This is the duration. Okay, and so here you can set price for each type. The base price will be added here. The next is vehicle master. So here you can add any vehicle type and add images here. You can add or delete, manage it anytime. Here you can manage vehicle models. The relevant document of the driver can be managed here. So it is the master. You can set whether it is required or not. Here you can create a category for vehicle type. It will be like two-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheeler, sedan. So you can manage all these categories here. So this will be shown in the customer application. Okay, and the next is trip complaints. Okay, so these complaints can be managed here. So this is the complaints raised after each trip from the user. So it will be the end user or the driver. Okay, the next is manage complaints. So this is the general complaints. This can be raised anytime from the user, end user, or driver mobile applications. Okay, so this FAQ can be managed here. The SOS contact details can be managed here. The order cancellation reasons, you can monitor it, manage it here. You can launch new promo here. It's like a coupon. So you can use it for a particular zone. So it will be either a flat or percentage based. You can restrict the count, so how many times this coupon can be used, and you can set expiry date, that is from date and today to date. Okay, the next is notification management. So here you can send from here you can send push notification to uh, drivers or end users, like with images. If URLs any, you can send it, attach it to. So here you can view the driver reports. You can view the online drivers and offline drivers here. You can monitor the details like, so how many trips he has completed, complaint details and ratings. So you can manage everything here. You can see the wallet amount as well. So the consolidated wallet balance, the driver wise, can be exported from here. In fare, here you can view the vehicle type wise fare details for local and rental. Under others, here you can manage the languages, so you can enable or disable any languages here. You can edit or delete it anytime. So here you can manage countries, so you can use or disable the countries you don't want. So here you can translate push notifications. So English is given. You can add another one language, additional language here.